Famous celebrities who died recently. Sridevi. Sridevi's sudden death is still considered one of the hidden mystery in Bollywood. She was found unconscious in her bathtub in Dubai by his husband, Boney Kapoor. According to death certificate, the cause of the legendary actress is accidental drowning. Many people went into heavy shock as Sridevi had no health issue. We lost one of the dancing and acting queen, Sridevi, on 24th February 2018. Irfan Khan. Exceptional Khan of Bollywood, Irfan left us on 29 February 2020. He was suffering from neuroendocrine cancer. The whole Bollywood industry mourned over his sudden demise. The actor will be remembered for his contributions to Indian cinema. Rishi Kapoor. Another veteran actor, Rishi Kapoor, breathed his last breath on 30th April 2020 at the age of 67. He was fighting against cancer. His void will never be completed by anyone. Our beloved Rishiji will always stay in our heart. Vinod Khanna. Senior actor Vinod Khanna passed away on 28 April 2017 at the age of 70. We lost this veteran actor due to cancer. Shashi Kapoor. Another iconic actor from Kapoor family, Shashi Kapoor ji left this world on 4th December 2017. He was suffering from liver damage. Om Puri. He was one of the film fraternity who worked in Bollywood and as well as in Hollywood. Om Puri was one of the gems of Indian cinema. We lost this 66 years old renowned actor on 6 January 2017. The cause of his death is heart attack. Kader Khan. Kader Khan was loved for his extremely good comic sense on screen. This fine actor was suffering from prolonged illness. He breathed his last breath in Toronto on 31st December 2018. Reema Lagoo. Reema Lagoo is one of the popular on-screen popular mother who won many hearts by her innocent and affectionate motherly look. She had a cardiac arrest and got admitted to Kokilaben Hospital. She left us on 18th May 2017. Rajesh Khanna. Full of life, Babu Moshai of Bollywood, Rajesh Khanna was suffering from liver damage. He was slowly cured. But unfortunately, he had a major heart attack in 2012 and this legendary actor left this mundane world. Feroz Khan. Fardeen Khan's father Feroz Khan, who was also a famous actor at his times, left this world in 2009. This actor was fighting with cancer. Saeed Jaffrey. One of the legendary performers, Saeed Jaffrey, was 86 when he left for heavenly abode. Kushal Punjabi. We lost one of the young and bright actor of small screen, Kushal, in 2019. Unfortunately, this celebrity committed suicide at his own apartment. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.